Hello and welcome to SignCut's Quick Tip Tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss file and image size. When you import an image into SignCut, it should come in at 100% the size that you designed it in your design software. If you look here in the image panel, you'll see the size of this image. This is the image size that we created in Illustrator. There are a couple of factors that could vary the image size. The first one is the scale ratio of your image. This should always be maintained at 100%. This is in the second panel box, and you can view it by clicking the center radio button. This should say 100. Unless you intentionally decide that you wanted to scale your design down or up by a percentage. The next issue that you want to be sure of is that you are working in the same unit of measure in SignCut as you are in your design software. If you're working in millimeters or centimeters and you have the settings in SignCut set for inches, you're going to have some variation. So if you click this button, you'll see that we can change to millimeters and to centimeters. If those two settings are correct and you're still having problems with your image not cutting properly for size, click the cutter button located in this panel at the top button. Then choose Calibrate Cutter Size. Most modern plotters do not need to be adjusted for calibration. This should only be done if you're having difficulty with your plotter skewing the design and not cutting it properly. In this case, we want to verify that you have the cutter settings set as the same numbers as in the default. Here we are using centimeters, and centimeters would be 30 by 30. So that is correct. This is where you want your defaults to be set. If it was millimeters, it would be 300 by 300. If it was inches, it would be 11.81 by 11.81. This can dramatically affect your results. So please be careful changing these settings, and they should only be changed with the advice of your plotter dealer or a SignCut technician.